new display offering, which we're calling the Actua display. You'll see it for the first time on Pixel 8. The 6.2-inch Actua display on Pixel 8 is 42% brighter than on Pixel 7 and gives you ultra real-world clarity. And Pixel 8 Pro takes our real-world display technology to the next level with our new Super Actua display. This 6.7-inch display is even more immersive, and it's our brightest display yet, with a stunning peak brightness of 2400 nits and a variable refresh rate that intelligently adjusts from 1 to 120 Hz. On the back of Pixel 8 Pro, you can see that we've added a new temperature sensor. We've submitted an application to the FDA so that you can also use our thermometer app to take your own temperature, which can be saved to the Fitbit app in the future. Along with beautiful updates to the body, Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro are getting some big upgrades on the inside.
Let me introduce you to the new Google Tensor G3. It's our latest mobile SoC designed specifically to bring Google's AI breakthroughs directly to Pixel users and show the world what's possible. In our new Tensor G3 chip, every major subsystem has been upgraded. It includes the latest generation of ARM CPUs, an upgraded GPU, new ISP and imaging DSP, and of course, the TPU, our on-device AI engine that we've custom designed to run Google's AI models efficiently. Let's talk about Pixel 8's new speech enhancements. Pixel speech and natural language understanding continue to lead the industry with on-device accuracy that rivals the machine learning in our data centers. You can already use Pixel to type, edit, and send messages with your voice. Now Pixel 8 even knows what language you're speaking and can switch back and forth with you as you talk in multiple languages. No other phone lets you do that. So I can just long press on the power button and Pixel 8 will read web pages out loud for me. This is super useful when I want to listen to articles while walking my dog Berkeley. Let's take a listen.
6 must-try tips for taking incredible pet photos with your Pixel. Ultra-wide, macro, portrait. Here's how to use your Pixel's camera and photo tools to get the best pet photos.
The voice sounds more natural and I can fast forward or modify the speed. I can even ask my Pixel to read the pages in a different language. Now with improved AI, the next generation of call screen is helping Pixel users receive 50% fewer spam calls on average. It silently answers calls from unknown numbers with a new, more natural-speaking voice, and it's smart enough to separate the calls you really want from the calls you really don't. Here's what's happening behind the screens.
Hi, I'm a Google virtual calling assistant recording this call on behalf of the person you're trying to reach. Can you say what you're calling about?
Hi, you've won an all-expense-paid trip to the Caribbean. Press 8 to claim your prize now.
Unfortunately, the person you're calling cannot take your call right now. Have a nice day.
Hi, this is Kristen from Anywhere Airlines.
Before I try to connect you, could you please give me a quick description of why you're calling?
We need to make some changes to your flight reservation. I'm calling to discuss ticketing options.
Okay, let me try to get the person you're trying to reach on the line.
Upgraded hardware, breakthrough features, new ways to work with motion and sound, and completely new image capabilities. The incredible Pixel 8 camera combines powerful AI and Tensor G3 with a fully upgraded ultra-wide and a new wide camera that's capable of producing 2x optical quality images with even better low-light performance. And the biggest leap forward in Pixel camera this year is video. The video capabilities in Pixel 8 represent years of R&D across Tensor, AI, and software with real tone. So your videos and photos accurately portray the wide range of human skin tones. Along with Pixel's best ever skin tone accuracy in your videos, you'll see improved mixed lighting performance and much faster autofocus in low light. So no matter what you're creating with Pixel camera, everyone will look more like their beautiful selves. Now, as every creator knows, visuals are only half of the equation when it comes to great video clips. So we are pioneering new computational audio capabilities with the first of its kind feature called Audio Magic Eraser. It lets you reduce distracting sounds in your videos using Tensor G3 and advanced machine learning models, and it's easy enough that anybody can do it. Audio Magic Eraser identifies different sounds in your video and sorts them into distinct layers that you can control. Pixel 8 introduces a whole set of new features that make it easier than ever to get great photos, even in the trickiest conditions. Like when you're trying to take the group photo over and over and over again, only to find somebody is always blinking or rolling their eyes. Group photos are tough, but Pixel gives you the option to make them easier with the new Best Take feature in Google Photos. Best Take uses a series of photos taken closer together to help you create the shot you want. So you can choose what you think is the best expression.
3, 2, 1. All right, do you want to check this out?
Yeah, let's do it.
It's called Best Take, and what you can do is grab different expressions and combine them into one so that everyone looks good.
Oh my gosh!
All three of us.
Wait, we look so good.
Magic Editor in Google Photos lets you use generative AI to reimagine your photos. Just tap or circle the object you want to edit, drag to reposition your subject, pinch to resize them, or use one-tap presets to make the background pop. Pixel 8 reimagines what you can do with a smartphone camera. With Best Take, generative AI in Magic Editor, best-in-class video, and Audio Magic Eraser. That's a whole lot of firsts. But you know, some people won't be satisfied with anything but our absolute best camera in a smartphone. And you'll get it with Pixel 8 Pro, which has everything you just saw in Pixel 8 and much more for people who want the most powerful camera system. Every camera in Pixel 8 Pro is upgraded. The triple rear Pro camera system gets a new main sensor with better low-light performance, a bigger ultra-wide lens with even better macro focus, an upgraded telephoto that can capture 56% more light and take photos with 10x optical quality. And we've added autofocus on the front-facing camera, so you can take the best pixel selfies ever. Now, when you combine the upgraded hardware and advanced Google AI, it makes it easy for everyone to get a picture-perfect pixel photo in any lighting condition, introducing a new form of video processing called Video Boost. It totally changes the game. Look at how it compares to a different phone we picked up recently. You can see the skin tone is lifelike and properly balanced, while the mountains and skies have full dynamic range. The video has vivid color and detail that pixel photos are known for. And when you use Video Boost in low light, it automatically enables night sight video for the first time on Pixel. Check out what one of our favorite photographers was able to do with night sight video.
三茶は上京して初めて住んだ思い出の場所なんです。いい感じです。お、綺麗。
And Pixel 8 is available for pre-order today with some great offers. It comes in 3 colors, and it's on shelves next week. Pixel 8 Pro is available for pre-order now in a fresh range of colors, and it'll be on shelves with Pixel 8 next week. Google is expanding Pixel support, 7 years of OS upgrades, security updates, feature drops, and AI innovations. No major smartphone brand offers this committed level of support and longevity. Well, that's our show for today. There's a lot more to these new products and services. You can get all the details right now on the Google Store.